so your teacher has asked me to help you draw a portrait of one of the main characters of a book that you all read. And this book is called Waiting for the Bibliobureau. I hope I said that right. But do you all know what the word Bibliobureau means? If you said library or librarian, you are right. So this is talking about a traveling library, right? So Miss Boyd has asked us to draw a portrait of the main character. And draw a portrait of her reading a book. Now, Miss Boyd said a self-portrait. Now, if you all see her, you need to let her know that a self-portrait is a portrait of yourself, right? So, are you Anna? I don't think any of you all are Anna. So, we're not drawing a picture of ourselves. We're drawing a picture of Anna, or a portrait of Anna, okay? So, if you hear talk to Miss Boyd, correct her. Okay? Be really nice about it, though. I'm so glad that she's incorporating art. But we are going to get started on drawing this portrait or picture of Anna reading a book. Now I am going to use a marker or a Sharpie, that way you all can see. But I want you all to use a pencil, okay? I want you all to use a pencil. So what I'm going to do is this picture that Miss Boyd has picked out, that is down here on this little webcam here. Let me see. Right here, we're going to draw this little part right here of Anna, okay? So, Anna is in a window. So, I'm going to start by drawing a window. Just drawing a square. Did you know that everything that we draw just starts with simple shapes that we learned in kindergarten and preschool? How cool is that? So I'm going to start with a window, okay? And then I'm going to draw the shape of Anna's head. And then I'm going to draw Anna's neck. And then I'm going to start with her hair, Anna's hair. So her hair kind of comes like this right here, and then she has like a cute little ponytail, right? Maybe some wispies. Then Anna has the shirt that kind of has a square neckline. And I'm going to draw her arms kind of like that. That way it looks like her arm is underneath the book once we get there. Okay? And then Anna's other arm in this picture is kind of like this, right? Like she's kind of leaning on her arm, right? Now, this that I'm getting ready to draw, these two lines right here, we're drawing in perspective. Now, this is something that I usually teach like 3rd graders. So you are getting some extra special stuff here. So what that means, perspective, means that we can see, it kind of looks 3-dimensional, right? So here we have like the seal of the window. So I'm going to pull Anna's elbow down a little further. And then I'm going to draw a book underneath Anna's elbow and under her arm. So now I can draw Anna's hand here, right? There we go. So there's a book with Anna. I know it's a little bit hard, but I'm sure you guys can get it. then I can go back in and add details to my picture. So I can add her face and her shirt details and the details of the shutters and things. So, but the main idea that we wanted of this picture was to have Anna reading a book. So we have the body of Anna. Now we just need to add her face. And we have the book that she's reading, right? So this was the main thing we needed to get on our paper, which is what we did. So I'm going to pause the video and finish this drawing, and then I'll show you once I'm done. Alright guys, so here is my finished portrait of Anna from the book Waiting for the Biblio Bureau. So if you all will draw your portrait of Anna and then upload it in the Canvas page, I'd love to see it. Alright guys, thanks!